If you're wondering about the top 5 MRE kits, this video has got you covered. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Let's talk about the Augasun Farm 30-day emergency food supply, our pick for the best overall food supply. Anyone who is interested in prepping should be familiar with the name Augasun Farms. This brand is one of the most popular names in long-term storage foods, and we really like their foods for their taste and nutritional value. If you're looking for a decent all-around food supply that you can stash in your home or office without raising too many eyebrows, this might be the perfect choice for you. This emergency food supply from Augasun Farms contains 307 servings with an average calorie count per day of 1,854 calories per day. The average daily protein consumption is 46 grams per day, making it a great choice for those with higher protein needs due to age or activity level. Included are a daily serving of fruits and vegetables, as well as sodium levels that are under 600 milligrams per day, again making it perfect for those living active lifestyles where extra salt isn't needed. For our next product, we have the Jumbo Ultra Bright Emergency Light Sticks. These are high-quality 14-inch glow sticks that are well-suited to camping and outdoor adventures in general. These Jumbo Glow sticks come in a bulk pack of 40, meaning you will always have plenty ready to go. The glowing effects can last up to 12 hours in optimal conditions, making them an ideal choice for blackouts or cave explorations. They're waterproof and non-toxic, as well as non-flamm. You can use it for blackout, camping and night riding, also for disaster preparedness where you might be stuck with little or no light if there were ever a power outage or disaster situation that would require an evacuation, also for diving, field survival and other outdoor activities where you might need a reliable light source that's easy to carry around without taking up too much space. Its long shelf life makes it an ideal choice even where there is little risk of losing track of your gear while on the go. Anyone who drives through a snowstorm in the middle of summer is already crazy, but if you end up having to stay for longer than expected, you may wish you had packed enough food to next a few days. For those unexpected situations, a 2-bucket emergency food supply will be your best friend. The first bucket contains 1,700 calories per day split into 10 separate meals. Each meal comes in its own pouched bucket with labels clearly stating what they are, as well as its caloric value and list of ingredients. Once opened, these meals can be stored safely in our fridge for up to 25 years without going bad. The second bucket contains 50 grams of protein per day, which can be used in different recipes, combining the staples found within it. Altogether, this 2-bucket set gives you all the nutrients needed to survive for 30 days on just under $4 per day. The next time you find yourself stuck in a blizzard or just super lazy like me, at least now you'll know exactly what to do. This next product is a survival food product. We are once again stepping away from the superfoods and going with something a little less healthy. Survival Tabs are an emergency food supply that contains all 15 essential vitamins and minerals that need to be sustained for 60 days, assuming one average person consumes them. This product also comes in a 7.5 by 5x 2.75-inch bottle, where each bottle contains 4 by 180 tablets for a total of 720 servings per bottle, or in this case 12 chewable tablets per serving. Each tablet has 20 calories and makes up the bulk of your diet while you are out in the wilderness or trying to survive an apocalyptic situation without access to fresh fruits and vegetables. It comes with a 25-year shelf life, allowing you to store it just in case society goes south while still tasting like its freshly made flavor when needed. The instructions are pretty straightforward. Chew before swallowing, preferably with liquid or semi-liquid food source as opposed to chewing on its own as it's not nearly as tasty. Swallow within 30 seconds for best taste. Wait 15 minutes before eating another one. Allow up to 5 hours between doses if you really have your heart set on enjoying some more. Don't eat more than 3 servings at any time before taking a break of at least 6 hours between chews. Only use under adult supervision. Always place safety first for those who enjoy the flavors of artificial sweeteners. This is great news because the survival tabs taste exactly like they should be safe ingredients. I am a big fan of the Surviveware Premium First Aid Kit. This is a large first aid kit that comes with all the essentials to handle most medical situations. The medical kit includes labels on each item, which makes it easy to find what you need in case of an emergency. It is water-resistant and rip-resistant and can withstand any outdoor adventure. It's made from high-quality rip-resistant 600D polyester and comes with removable MRE-compatible straps so it can be attached to almost any surface, including your car if you want to take it on road trips. Finally, this emergency first aid kit was thoughtfully designed for peace of mind on your next outdoor adventure. Alfonso from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Great bit of kit." Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 MRE kits. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.